Hey guys, Matt from Eastwood. We're here in my home garage showing you some of my favorite products. So today what I'm going to show you guys is not necessarily a tool, but it is a product that is extremely handy. You can see this one I have here is really dirty. I use these a lot. So this is the Rockwood 1,500 pound capacity metal folding work stands. I have two of them right here that I have my Model T body sitting on, and these things work really nice for setting heavy, large, cumbersome things that you may normally try and use sawhorses or possibly use just normal body shop work stands, and it doesn't work well. These have the adjustable legs where you can just loosen some wing nuts and you can set the leg height to actually raise or lower. I have this body right here sitting on the stands in the lowest position so that I have the body at a nice workable height where I can sit in a chair, roll around, and I can do my metal work and finish welding on the body, and I'm not bending over or kneeling down when I'm doing it. So the weight capacity on these is really nice because it is 1,500 pounds per stand. So you could put a complete car body if you have something that is small enough or manageable enough to fit on the stand, like I mess with Model A's, Model T's, early Fords. It's perfect for that. I also use them quite often to put frames on. So when I'm working on a frame, I can set a frame right on the stands, and it's no problem to work on it, have it at a nice workable height. And I've even thrown my little Cushman scooter project on one of them and just used some clamps to clamp it down, and it is, again, really, really nice. Last thing that I really like about this stand is that they fold up. So I have a handful of these stands. I fold them up like you see here, and I put them, carry them right in the back, and I put them right next to my brake, and they fit right back there, and they don't take any real estate up on the shop floor, so we can keep the shop nice and tidy. So that's all I have for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. You can click the link down below to get a set of these stands for yourself. And again, you can visit eastwood.com to get all the tools you need to do the job right. Thanks, guys.